Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga and you. Today I'm sharing a Ragi Roti recipe made with very few ingredients. Ragi is traditional, nourishing and suitable for yogic, Ayurvedic and Sattvik cooking. To prepare the dough, in a bowl take 1 cup of ragi flour and 3/4 cup of rice flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oil. Mix gently, allowing the flours to combine evenly. This balance helps keep the ragi light and digestible. Now add hot boiling water little by little. Stir with a spatula until the flour softens and comes together. Ragi or finger millet is grounding and strengthening, especially supportive for bones, digestion and steady energy. When the dough is a little warm, gently knead it with your hands. If the dough feels sticky, dust lightly with flour or apply a few drops of oil on your palm. Cover and rest the dough for 10 minutes. This resting time allows the grain to absorb the moisture. Divide the dough into equal portions. Roll each roti gently, not too thin or not too thick. This Ragi Roti is ideal for a Sattvik lifestyle and suits those seeking gluten-free grounding meals. Heat the tawa on a medium flame. Avoid high heat. Steady warmth preserves prana. Once cooked, add a little ghee on both sides. Ragi rotis are best enjoyed hot and fresh. Serve with a warm, simple vegetable sabji. If you enjoy millet-based cooking, explore our other ragi recipes on the channel. Today we've made this super healthy and delicious ragi rotis. Hope you guys will try this and share it with your family and friends and see how simple food can be deeply satisfying. Until next time, stay happy and stay nourished.